Your Excellency, President, I want to thank you for your very warm welcome and the important substance of the discussions we had today and the remarks. And let me once again thank you most sincerely for including even personal wishes to me for my birthday. It was a good coincidence that I had it here in Russia and in Sochi. It's of great pleasure for me to be here and also have good memory of our last meeting last year. And on that platform, we've been able to build a good relationship between our two countries and look forward to continued strengthening of that relationship and to personally develop that connection with you, Mr. President, and in the context of the relationship Africa and Russia will develop. I want to congratulate you and your government on the success of this historic first Russia-Africa summit. We are very happy and satisfied with the results as they happened. A number of things were happening today where my own delegation was busy making connection with the Russian counterpart in different areas of interest. And we are happy a number of milestones have been reached in even signing a number of agreements. So, President, we are very happy to be here and happy to be partners and friends with Russia, and we want to continue that way. Thank you very much.